Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, nice to meet you. Hopefully you stay and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, we missed you and we appreciate you. But today I am bringing you guys a little bit of a different video. It's not this look at all. Let me know if you want this look though. Comment, let me know. But I actually got and was lucky enough to record my first client, which is crazy for me to say out loud, but I did record it. I haven't really seen many people post their first client, not gonna lie, I haven't really checked, but like it isn't something people really post because that's them practicing, them getting their craft ready. But I am more than comfortable sharing with you guys so you guys can see it, you guys can come with me on this journey. Hopefully we look back a year later and we laugh about it. But I did get to record it. She was great enough to let me do that and post it. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Mind you, it is my first client, so no claims are being made about anything. But I just kind of want to grow with you guys and, go through these things together. Forever. No, let me stop. But that's that. Just real quick, I do want to thank you guys so very much for all the Venom views and the Venom love. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't checked it out, you should. To me, that is my favorite video so far that I've done. Last time I checked, we were at 7.9 thousand views. All thanks to you guys. That's why I love you guys and I appreciate you. Please comment. I do talk to some of you guys, but then YouTube deletes it, then repost them later. I don't know. But I love speaking to you guys and building a relationship, So like, comment, and subscribe. That way I know you guys are enjoying everything I'm putting out. I appreciate you guys tons and tons. Please always tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and that's how we gonna get the Colombian catfish crew popping. But without further ado, here's the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. I'm more than happy to answer, and I will see you guys soon. I'll see you soon. Take care and thank you again, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so we're going in with a makeup wipe to remove the residue and any oils from the day off of her face, but she didn't have makeup on, so that was great. After we take that off, I spray her with Mario Badescu Rose Water just to prep and hydrate and that kind of stuff. A mini version of what I do to myself. After that, I go in with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I use a beauty blender to blend it in and minimize her pores. After that, I combined Fenty foundation 260 and 270 to get her correct shade. Not too light, not too dark. Matches her perfect on her neck. When you are applying foundation, remember to blend down your neck, into your hairline, on your ears if you have to, so that way you have a seamless blend, nothing moves, no one catches you, your catfishing works out, Cool. So after that, I actually for some reason didn't get me putting concealer on her, but I placed concealer under her eyes, her middle of her forehead, down her nose, all that jazz. And I am baking under her eyes and by the sides of her nose. Under the eyes, obviously, for no creasing, and by the sides because she told me she gets oily there, and that's actually the only part she gets oily. So I did that so it wouldn't move throughout the night. What you see me doing now is doing one of the eyebrows because this one is already done on my right side, if you know what I'm talking about. To do her eyebrows, I use Anastasia Dip Brow, the pomade, and also an Anastasia brush. So I'm doing the eyebrows as I usually would. Then I carve it out with Fenty foundation on top of the brow and then concealer under it. That's just what I do. After that, you see me bronzing her face with the Hoola bronzer. I use the actual little brush that it comes with to carve out your cheekbones first, and then I go in with this flat top brush to blend it out, and also use the same brush to go into the hairline, carve out the jaw, and later on I use a more detailed brush to contour the nose, because you gotta snatch your nose. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, So for her eyes, we went for a smoky, halo-ish kind of looking eye. Honestly, I don't know what to really call it, but I used the Modern Renaissance palette. I believe I used red ochre, burnt orange, love letter, all those beautiful shades, but they will exactly be put down below, even the shades that I used. And you see the right eye being done, and then I just worked on the left one, obviously. Now I am doing the baby wing. We didn't want to go for a full wing just because that's not the kind of look we want to go for. So I did do a smaller wing. I go in with a NYX felt tip liner to do the wing first, and then I drag it in, and then I fill it in with a Wet n Wild liner that I like. Also going back in after being done with this super small brush with a little bit of that concealer left to really carve out that wing and make sure it's slaying, because we can't have floppy wings out here. After that, I felt like I want to deepen up the crease a little bit, so I just went back into that. Again, like I told you guys, don't be afraid to go back into certain things that you already thought you finished, and then just kind of perfecting them to your liking. Nothing wrong with that. Take your time. You was practicing, okay? I was honestly just learning so much from doing makeup on someone that wasn't me, and that's us getting excited. And then this is me adding blush. I am a very big blush person. Like, without blush, I think I look pale, but that's blush. And yeah, like I was telling you guys, I just learned a lot from doing makeup on someone else for the first time. You just learn, like, seeing your techniques on someone else is like, okay, let me adjust this, and let me do this better, and let me do that better. So if you guys want to learn, like, to do makeup, maybe as a makeup artist or this, that, and the other, I definitely recommend doing it on someone else when you can. Here we're just figuring out exactly what we wanted to do to her face, which was half of her face. She was dressing up as a firefighter, so we did like burns and wounds kind of look. To achieve that, we are using that Mehron liquid latex that I've used in a couple of my other videos. To apply it, I usually used a Q-tip, which always got messy. And this time I thought about it, and I used the end of a makeup brush, and that was so much better because the cotton wasn't getting in places that it wasn't supposed to be. So I'm just so glad I found that. So again, lay down your latex, apply cotton, latex, cotton, latex, cotton. And you guys really can't see this the right way because I couldn't move the camera. I was just concentrating on her makeup. Because again, the point of this video is just for you guys to come along with me for my first time having a client. Not so much as you seeing it perfectly. I'm sorry. It was more of an experience I want to go through with you guys. But if you want to see this process and what it actually looks like in more details, you can totally see my mask video. That's almost the same concept, but different parts of my face were bloody and gushy, you know? So you could definitely see that. I believe that's the only one I really used that much latex in. So yeah, definitely watch that. I'll put it right here in a little info box that will pop up here. So you can click on it easy if you want to go see that now and then come back, you know, whatever floats your boat. But there you will definitely see me doing the liquid latex process. So after that is done, you can see her wounds a bit. Well, the pregame to the wounds. And now I'm going in with a beauty blender and that same combination of foundation that we used on that white latex part that we have. Obviously to blend it into your skin, make it look like skin. Because if I didn't do this part and I just went in with red, it would obviously look very cartoony, which you don't want. So after it is covered and blending into your face and looking seamless, I go in with my Mehron color wheel. No, I'm lying to you. My Graftobian color wheel that I've also used in a lot of these previous Halloween videos, which you see me holding in my hand. And I cover the camera apparently. I'm sorry. And I take that deep red color to go under the latex, right? Like in those little ridges of the skin. So that way it really looks like injured, bruised, and nasty. So that's what you see me doing there. That's that little color wheel I'm using. and make sure you blend it out. You don't want any harsh lines when it comes to this FX makeup, because then you're just giving it away, you know? You want it to essentially look nasty and real, not fake. We're not going for fake. After doing that with my Mehron color, I then fill in the rest of the wound with this fake liquid blood. It's just a regular liquid blood, not the coagulator one yet, like the scab one that I will be going in a bit, which you will see. So now I am actually going in with that scab blood, and also a stippling brush, not a stippling brush, oh my god, with that stippling sponge to give that effect. So that I put around the wounds, mostly on the ridges of that lifting skin, and also where those drips meet. You just gotta play around with it, add texture, make it look interestingly nasty and gross. And she has said it was a Halloween look. She was going to a Halloween party, obviously. So she had said she didn't want to look basic. She wanted to look kind of gory, like gore glam. So I was like, what? You met the right person. So that's exactly what we went for, and thankfully it came out pretty good. I was happy. She was happy. We were all happy. So now you see me using that same spatula to actually do a couple drips down her face, which I then stopped when they weren't going the direction I wanted to go, but it still had that drip effect. So here is the finished look for you guys. Thank you so very much for watching and being a part of this first client journey. I hope you liked it, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.